Hello and good morning. My name is Sonika and I'm a yoga practitioner and instructor. A lot of my work is focused on making people feel comfortable and safe in their body because that is the foundation that everything else gets built on. So this is how I would build lower back strength with a student, slowly and with attention. So let's come to the mat, sit in any comfortable position, and gently when you're ready you can close your eyes. Just make sure that you have a tall spine and relaxed shoulders. Take a moment to just arrive to the mat. We'll take a slow and deep breath in through our nose. Fill up your belly, your rib cage, and your chest. And an even slower exhale through the nose. On the next inhale, you can gently open up your eyes. So let's get on all fours for cat-cow. That's Marjariasana and Bitilasana. Just to check in with our spine here. So just make sure that your palms are right underneath your shoulders, fingers wide open, and your knees are underneath your hips. And from here we're going to get into Bitilasana. So we're going to move our spine like a wave that starts from the tailbone. So let's start lifting the tailbone up. Drop your belly, open up your chest, and lift up as you inhale. And as you exhale, gently round your back, starting from the tailbone. Pull your belly up. Press your palms into the mat and spread out your shoulder blades. And then just let your neck relax. You can do a few rounds of this. Just let your breath carry the movement. Move with your breath, slow and steady. If you want, you can also close your eyes and just observe the movement vertebrae by vertebrae, how it feels. From here, next up is bird dog. So bring your right arm up and then lift your left leg. If you're not comfortable lifting the left leg, just bring it down to the mat, but keep the knee straight. From here, focus on keeping a straight line from the tip of your finger, right finger, till the tip of your left toe. We're just building strength here and stability. Keep your nose pointing down to the mat. And as you exhale, bring the right palm down and the left knee. Inhaling, bring the left arm up along with the right leg. And we'll stay here for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Gently bring the palm back down and the right knee as well. From here, turn to one side and we'll come down onto our back for Setu Bandhasana, also called as bridge pose. So bring your feet closer to your hips, hip width distance. Bring your palms to the mat. Make sure your lower back is on the mat. If it's not, just slide your shoulders up gently. And then as you inhale, press the palms and the feet into the mat as you lift your hips up. Squeeze in your glutes as you push the pelvis up towards the sky. Let your chest reach your chin and stay here for 5, 4. Try not to let your knees fall open too much. Keep them together like there's a bottle of water between your knees. 2 and 1. Gently as you exhale, round your back vertebrae by vertebrae onto the mat. Lovely. This is just to strengthen the glutes and the other muscles that are keeping our lower back safe and protected. From here, we're going to move into Apanasana, also called as Pavan Muktasan, wind relieving pose. So straighten your legs onto the mat, keep your feet together. Inhale here first. And as you exhale, bring the knees into your chest. You can hug them in. And just let your spine relax here. Let it round gently. Just take a few breaths here and relax. On the next inhale, release the knees. Let the feet come onto the mat. Great. From here, we're going to do a spinal twist just to wring any stiffness or any tension in the spine. So bring your palms on the sides, arms in T position. Your feet can be about mat width apart. Inhale here first. As you exhale, drop both the knees to the right and gaze towards your left palm. We'll stay here for a few breaths. Just let your body go. Let go of any effort that you're taking to do the twist. Just relax once you're in the pose. As you inhale, bring the knees back to the center, and exhaling, drop them to the left and gaze towards the right palm. Inhaling back to the center. So this is how I would take a session, just keeping in mind that we go slow, we communicate with our body. Just, it's not a workout, it's more of a conversation that we're having with our body. So yeah, thank you so much for your time. Namaste.